Legends of Learning presents the Pendulum Lab Energy PhET Simulator. This is a science PhET simulation that makes learning about conservation of energy fun and easy to understand. In this game, you will use this simulation to gain more insight as to how a pendulum conserves energy under different conditions. Monitor the energy from the pendulum as you conduct different experiments. You can customize all the inputs by selecting specific buttons on the settings for the simulator to experiment with different scenarios. You can lengthen the string of the one or both pendulums, increase the mass, change the gravity based on different planets, or alter the friction and watch what happens. Use the stopwatch to time the experiment and the ruler to measure the change that took place. Learn more about conservation of energy in this simulation. Are you ready to accept the challenge? Do you have the right skills to help you learn more about pendulums and the conservation of energy? Have fun and enjoy playing.